This sounds fake, but it's actually real. There's a place in Death Valley where rocks move on their own. No people, no animals, just sliding rocks. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and their blood is blue. And 2 hearts stop beating when they swim, so they hate swimming. Bananas are technically radioactive. If you eat 10 million, you'd actually die from radiation. NASA once recorded a sound from a black hole, and it's the scariest thing you'll ever hear. Which one shocked you the most? Follow for more crazy facts.